Hey, everybody! How many of you have been stressed about money at some point in your lives? I'm guessing all of you. Well, if that's the case, then you're in the right place because today we're going to talk about what is financial literacy and why it matters. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. So, first off, what is financial literacy? Put simply, financial literacy is having the skills and knowledge to manage your finances effectively. And this includes budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting your money. When you're financially literate, you're able to make informed decisions about how to spend, save, and invest your money. You understand the basics of debt and credit, and you know how to protect yourself from financial scams. Now, you might be thinking, why is financial literacy important? Well, it's important for a lot of reasons. But let's start with the basics. It helps you make ends meet. We all have different financial situations, but being financially literate can help you make the most of what you have. It gives you the skills to manage your money so that you can pay your bills on time, save for emergencies, and reach your long-term goals. Without financial literacy, it's easy to live paycheck to paycheck without any sense of control over your finances. But when you understand how to manage your money, you can take charge of your financial future and live the life that you want. Next up, it's essential for major life decisions. Whether you're buying a house, car, or starting a business, these are all major life decisions that require a good understanding of finance. If you don't have financial literacy, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions that could end up costing you dearly. For example, let's say you want to buy a new car. If you don't understand how much you can afford to spend, you may end up buying a car that's too expensive and putting yourself into a tough financial position. On the other hand, if you do have financial literacy, you'll be able to make a more informed decision about how much you can spend on a car and avoid getting into a tough financial spot. Next, it helps you plan for retirement. One of the most important reasons to be financially literate is to be able to plan for your retirement. Retirement should be a time when you can relax and enjoy your life without worrying about money. However, most people do not have enough money saved for retirement, and they end up working longer than they want to or living a more modest lifestyle than they would like. By understanding the basics of finance, you can start planning for your retirement early and make sure that you have enough money to live the lifestyle that you want. And last but not least, it gives you the ability to build wealth. Building wealth takes time and discipline, but it's definitely possible if you have the right financial literacy skills. When you understand how to manage your money, save and invest wisely, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. While building wealth is not easy, it's definitely possible with the right financial knowledge and habits. And don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. In conclusion, financial literacy is an essential life skill that everyone needs to master to have a chance at achieving their dreams. Managing your finances effectively is critical to making smart decisions, planning for the future, and building wealth. So, if you haven't already done so, it's time to start improving your financial literacy today. Start by educating yourself about basic financial concepts and create a budget. Track your expenses and save for emergencies. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and living the life you're after. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you've learned something new and valuable that will help you on your journey towards financial success. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, stay motivated, and achieve your financial goals.